We just finished painting some trim on this sweet little house. You can actually see the difference between where we started and the neighbor's house. This is one of those semi-detached houses, and so we painted the trim. We also did the door, this beautiful door we oiled, and we painted the wrought iron, and then we painted the trim. There you can see it. It was in really terrible shape. This fascia needed it really badly. The fascia was in terrible condition, so we put on some very heavy coats of paint to seal off the weather, and that's it.